One of my favorite ways to do chicken is this butter seared cast iron chicken. It's real easy to do. You start out by using some cut up chicken, right? You could have the butcher do that. And you hit it with your favorite seasoning. Here we're using our poultry seasoning. You can check it out on our website. We appreciate your support. Now, one of the things we do is preheat this cast iron pan. This is a 12-inch cast iron pan. And we're going to place this cut up chicken skin side down. We're going to be pretty much cooking it right from the get-go, right? Get it down there. Oh, man. Now, if you've never had this butter seared cast iron chicken before, you got to check it out. It is good. Again, we're searing it in this butter. The saltiness of the butter gets in there. Oh, man. This is almost as good as traditional fried chicken in the pan. You know what I'm saying? All right, so we got an oven going here. We happen to have our wood-fired oven, and you can use a kettle grill, you can use your gas grill, whatever. You just want to get those temperatures up to about 375, 400 degrees Fahrenheit for the cook, and this will not take long. So, we're about halfway through this. We're going to check it out. Oh, man, I'll tell you what, looks good enough to eat already, but it's not. What we want to do is flip it, all right? We want to get some even cooking on both sides, right? Just flip it like that. Oh, man. Oh, not much more to say, right? Lord have mercy. It's going to be tender, juicy, with a ton of flavor. Whoa. Throw it back in the oven again. Finish it off. We're looking for an internal temperature of about 180 degrees Fahrenheit, more or less. Of course, these are chicken parts. Each piece will cook a little bit differently, but you can dial it in. All right. I say it's time to eat. Take a look at that. Oh, you gotta be kidding. Whoa. So you can plate this up any way you want. You can get fancy ass, put it on one of those dinner plates. You can eat it right out of this pan. This is what it's all about, right? Oh, we're gonna be eating good tonight, Martha. Woo! Now, you can take some of them drippings, right? Pour it all over the top. Just like that. There's plenty of flavor in that chicken grease. Oh, man. So now this is the part, I think, where the pit masters are going to have to eat in front of you. And trust me, they're not apologizing. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.